Okay, so here is a quick review on this flea and tick prevention for cats with B1, 6, and B12. So I feed a feral cat, and you know, because he's outside, he won't let anyone get near him, like, so I can maybe put some flea protection on him. But he does let me get close enough to give him food. So I put these treats with his food. He really seems to like them. 5 pounds or less. If your cat is 5 chews, 5 to 10 pounds, 10 chews. It's a generous portion in here. I think there's 500 soft chews. Because he's outside, I can't really say if it protects from fleas and ticks. However, it makes me just feel better having it and giving it to him because he is an outdoor cat. So that is my review, but you know, chicken, wheat flour, egg yolk, powder, cheese, you know, good ingredients. And overall, I like it and I would order it again.